JCB has a long history of giving to different charitable events or causes, and particularly with disaster relief. Everyone remembers the tsunami in Indonesia. They had sent more than $2 million to assist in that cause, over $600,000 to China following the earthquake there in 2008. And then immediately following this earthquake, in addition to this fundraiser, they sent equipment to Haiti.
Know you have done it when you finish.
Yeah. But now we've started, it is a challenge now. Before, it didn't really hit home that we've got to drive this 3,125 miles, but now we've done 500. I think it's a challenge now, and we want to do it.